thank you so much for tuning into my channel. If you're new here, make sure you hit that little subscribe button, as well as just, you know, join us over here so you can learn some fun tips. But anyway, I just wanted to basically create a video for you guys. I had a lot of questions about hyperpigmentation. What do I need to do? How did you clear your hyperpigmentation so fast? Guys, listen, it was not a fast process, okay? It was definitely not a fast process. It took me forever. I want to say it took me a year to get to where I am, and my face is still not clear, guys. See, I'm literally showing you guys what my skin looks like without any makeup on, because the one thing I cannot stand is when people are out here on YouTube creating videos of their skin with makeup on. Like, how am I supposed to know that your skin's really clear when you got makeup on, sis? That's not gonna work. So I want to show you guys my top secret products that I use for exfoliation. And exfoliating your skin when you have hyperpigmentation, that's the key factor on how you are going to clear up your hyperpigmentation. I know that sounds really crazy, but how it works is that you have a layer of skin, right? And the hyperpigmentation, all it is, it's dead skin. It's dead skin, and it's pigmented skin that needs to be shedded off in order for the new skin to come to the surface, so that way you don't have any more dark spots. So you'll notice that the more that you exfoliate, the more you exfoliate your skin, that your dark spots gets lighter and lighter and lighter. And that's why it's important to wear SPF, because when you wear SPF, then your dark spots don't get darker, they shed off, and they also get lighter. I know it sounds really crazy, but I promise, guys, I'm not making this up. You can research it, you can do whatever you need to do. I am a licensed esthetician. I learned this stuff in school and learned additional things along the way, because again, at the end of the day, when you want your skin to be clear, you do anything in your power to research to figure out what the heck's gonna work. So if you're interested in hearing details about this video, then keep watching. Hey guys, so I wanted to put a disclaimer out there. Like, one of the products that I used to get rid of my acne was completely different than the products that I've used to get rid of my hyperpigmentation. They're two different things. Now, usually sometimes it's a lot easier when you can kind of get rid of the acne first, because when you get rid of the acne first, then it makes it a lot easier for you to take care of your hyperpigmentation, because you're not having new bumps that form. And usually the bumps, you pick them, because I was a picker. I love picking my bumps. It was just like so relaxing to me. But if you are a picker, then obviously you want to kind of nip that in the bud. Stop picking your face, stop picking your skin. It's not good. I'm saying all these things, but trust me, girlfriend, boyfriend, I know. The first thing you want to do is get rid of your acne. Now, having acne, it sucks. It's really hard to do, and I actually had to take a medication to get rid of my acne because I was frustrated with it. I tried so many things and they were working, but I just wanted my skin to be super clear and breakout free. And in order to do that, I had to get on a medicine. If you want to check that out, you can just definitely click these videos here if you want, or down below in my description box. Literally, I have a series on how I got rid of my acne. That's a whole nother story for another day. But the first product that we're going to use is the Peter Thomas Roth Gel Exfoliating. Now, again, exfoliating your skin is really important. And then with this product, it has like a nice gel consistency, as you can see, but I really like it because when you use it on your skin, guys, you instantly see a difference. So you want to focus it on areas that, like right here, these are always the areas that I break out the most. So I always focus it in those areas first. And you'll notice that a lot of your dead skin will literally shed off right in front of your face. So I'm gonna look at the viewfinder so I can see what I'm doing. But all you want to do is massage this into your skin, and you will immediately start to see a lot of that dead skin shedding off. So that way you're not being too abrasive on your skin. And I know that sounds super crazy, but a lot of these products that, guys, that they're selling to you, it's really harsh for your skin, especially if you have sensitive skin, which I do have. On top of certain foundations, if you're a foundation wearer, you want to be careful because some of the things that we put on our skin is just not good. So this retails for, I want to say $30 or so, but I think they have different sizes that you can get. I think I paid like $30, and it lasts you for a long time. So as you can see, I'm literally getting rid of all the dead skin, and my skin is not getting irritated. This is one of the best products that you can absolutely use if you have really bad hyperpigmentation. And I know it sounds crazy, but I'm using this on camera so that way you guys can actually see what I'm doing. So I'm gonna get close up here so you can see. And all I'm doing is massaging my skin in circular motions, so that way you can kind of see the dead skin coming off. Now again, you want your dead skin to come off in layers, because that is the golden ticket to get rid of all of your hyperpigmentation. And I know that sounds really crazy, and sometimes I get mad because I'm like, I wish I had my own products, because I'm over here selling a product to you guys, but because I love you guys, you know, like I love you, so that's why I'm showing this to you. But can you imagine how much money we were making these companies just doing reviews and you guys buy it? But it's a good product, so it's worth a shot. But Peter Thomas Roth, I'm just saying, you guys need to help me, help a sister out, because this just isn't right. I feel like everyone should be treated equal. Okay, so anyway, all of this right here is dead skin. Can you guys see that? That's gross, right? Okay guys, so I'm just going to wipe this off so you guys can see how my skin looks afterwards. Okay guys, so as you can see, my skin, it looks really good, nice and fresh. One of the things that once I get done exfoliating my skin, I always use a toner. Now, toner is really important because it keeps your skin even. I like to use rose water. You can use any kind of rose water. This one you can get at Whole Foods or Amazon. I think it's like $8.99. It's really cheap. It's not that expensive. So I like to spray my face with this. I spray a lot, like a whole lot. And you can even use this right after your makeup too. Totally up to you. But I like to use this because, for one, I'll be honest, I'm not even sure if it really helps with your hyperpigmentation, but this is a product that I've been using. Like, as you can see guys, like the bottle is like literally almost, you guys can't see it, but it's literally like this much left. Just really good for hydration, but I like to use it. So as you can see, my skin looks pretty good. I'm gonna go in with this here Ole Henkerson's, this Counterbalance Mattifying Moisture Cream. This is one of my favorites, and I have really oily skin, so it's crazy because you would think that you don't want to put a lot of like products on your skin to make it more oily, but when my skin is not hydrated, it causes more acne and more breakouts. I don't get cystic acne anymore, but I do have like little fine bumps that I get in my T-zone area a lot, so I can always tell when I need to drink more water or depending on what I'm eating. But this is definitely key whenever you're exfoliating your skin, and as well as cleansing your skin, is to moisturize it. But yeah. Okay guys, so as you can see, my skin looks really clean, and we didn't even do, like, this wasn't even a cleansing video, but it looks nice and fresh. And as you can see, I got rid of a lot of dead skin. I still have some hyperpigmentation to work on right in this area. If I squeeze my face, guys, you can probably see what I'm looking at, because on camera sometimes it doesn't always show. But this is definitely one of my secret products that I've been using, getting rid of a lot of my hyperpigmentation, alongside with using acne.org's AHA glycolic acid cream. I only use this every other, maybe. You can use this every day. I know this sounds crazy, please don't come for me, but you can literally use this every day because it's not really harsh on your skin. So or use it every other day, but literally you can literally feel the dead skin rolling off your skin. This is something that is my go-to, especially like if you're a foundation wearer and you want your skin to just look nice and clean and sleek. Peter Thomas Roth's Firm X Peeling Gel is definitely #1. Number 2, you can use this once or twice a week. This is the acne.org's AHA glycolic acid cream, and this also helps with exfoliating your skin and getting rid of everything. Now the only difference with this is that your skin will, like, you'll start seeing your skin like peel a little bit depending on your sensitivity, but again, it just really just depends. It's basically, let's see here, it says that it improves texture and it leaves complexion visibly smoother. So these are like my number 2 products that I use for exfoliating your skin. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, guys. Again, one of the biggest, and I can't stress, one of the biggest secrets to getting rid of hyperpigmentation is exfoliating your skin. You can't just use cleansers and brightening creams. You have to exfoliate your skin and get rid of that dead skin, or it's going to look like a rough, hot mess. Now, for deep pivot scarring, if you guys want me to do a video on that, make sure that you thumbs up, leave me a comment down below. I don't have too many of those. I only have like 1 or 3 pivot spots here, as you can see. I personally did everything in my power to prevent it from happening, and I think we'll just have a video on it if that's something that you guys are interested in. Thank you so much for supporting my channel and subscribing, guys, but until next time, you always know what I say. Deuces. Bye.